Hi there, I'm 𝐁𝐸, your trusted real estate expert and investor. Today I'm thrilled to show you this stunning brand new 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. If you're in the market for your dream home, you won't want to miss this. This beautiful residence offers nearly 1,700 square feet of modern living space. With high ceilings and an open concept floor plan, you'll enjoy a spacious feel perfect for entertaining. The heart of the home is the gourmet kitchen, featuring elegant cabinetry, a stylish backsplash, and a striking stone-wrapped center island, ideal for gatherings and meals with loved ones. The owner's suite is a true retreat, complete with a luxurious walk-in shower and a custom-built closet designed for all your storage needs. Beautiful laminate flooring flows throughout, adding a touch of sophistication to every room. Plus, the backyard is spacious, perfect for parking your RV or ATV, and there are no HOA restrictions, freedom to create your outdoor oasis. Exciting news for qualified buyers and realtors. The builder is offering a buyer's agent commission and bonus as incentives for realtors who bring qualified buyers, plus closing cost assistance for all qualified buyers, making this an incredible opportunity. Location is key. This home is just a short drive to Florida's beautiful Gulf Coast beaches, including Port Charlotte Beach Park and Boca Grande. For travelers, you're close to Punta Gorda and Fort Myers airports, and about an hour and a half from Tampa International Airport. Don't wait. Schedule your showing today and experience the lifestyle you've been dreaming of. If you have questions or need assistance, reach out to me at 407-904-8897 or joeshooker6@gmail.com. Finally, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing property tours and real estate insights.